Today, we're discussing a crucial topic for truckers and fleet operators, understanding the true operating costs for trucking businesses as we approach 2026. Knowing these numbers isn't just about keeping your business afloat. It's about setting the stage for profitability and growth. As we navigate the roads of trucking profitability, let's first break down what operating costs really mean. Operating costs include everything you spend to keep your trucks on the road and your business running smoothly. This covers fuel, maintenance, insurance, permits, and those unexpected repairs that always seem to pop up at the worst times. But there's more to it than just these obvious expenses. Fuel is often the biggest cost for most trucking companies. With fluctuating prices, keeping an eye on fuel efficiency becomes critical. Investing in technology that monitors fuel usage can save you a lot in the long run. Maintenance is another key area. Regular checkups can prevent costly breakdowns and extend the life of your trucks, ensuring they're always ready to hit the road. Insurance is a must-have, but can be a heavy financial burden. Shopping around for the best rates and understanding the coverage you truly need can lead to significant savings. Then there's compliance. The trucking industry is heavily regulated, and staying compliant with FMCSA regulations is essential. This is where we at FMCSAregistration.com come in. We help you navigate the complex web of compliance, ensuring you stay on the right side of the law. Let's not forget about the cost of drivers. Salaries, benefits, and training are part of your operating costs. Happy, well-trained drivers mean safer trips and less turnover, which can save money in the long run. And speaking of turnover, having a good retention strategy can reduce recruitment costs and keep your operation stable. Another hidden cost is downtime. Every minute a truck isn't moving is money lost. Efficient scheduling and route planning can reduce downtime and improve your bottom line. Technology can be your best friend here, offering real-time data and insights to keep your operations running smoothly. To wrap up, calculating the true operating costs of your trucking business involves looking at both the obvious and the hidden expenses. It's about being proactive and strategic in managing these costs. And remember, FMCSAregistration.com is here to support you with the complexities of registration and compliance, ensuring your focus can remain on driving your business forward. Visit FMCSAregistration.com or call us at 866-477-0707. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into the trucking industry. Safe travels, and may your journey to 2026 be both profitable and smooth.